Hey guys, welcome back to the CJ Pony Parts YouTube channel. I'm Morgan from CJ Pony Parts, and I have Josh here, and we are excited to announce CJ's Performance Exhaust Kit for your 65 to 70 Classic Mustangs. So let's get into what makes this kit so great. So Josh, what is this exhaust kit made out of?
So we designed this with T304 stainless. It's got a high nickel and chromium content. So this is going to be your most durable exhaust. You can obviously see the high polished finish. We wanted something that's going to last you a long time. You put a lot of money in these cars, a lot of time in these cars, and this exhaust will be beautiful for a long time to come.
And it won't rust?
No, it will not rust at all because of the quality it's made. When it gets hot, it'll turn like a goldish color. That's what T304 does, but it will not rust. If you actually stick a magnet to this, it won't stick. It won't say it'll fall right off because it doesn't have the iron, which is actually what rusts in steel.
That's actually, I think a big selling feature for me, especially I think a lot of, our owners are in the Rust Belt, and this would be really nice. I wouldn't have to worry about that.
Absolutely. You've taken all this time to fix this car up, fix probably rust that was on it. Why do you want to put something on that's going to rust again?
From our $1,000 gift cards that we run all year long to some of our top products from our favorite companies, or maybe even the parts that you see in our videos, we always have a good reason to sign up.
Another important note about this is there are two kits that range from 65 to 70. So those are?
They are 65-6 will be one kit, and then your 67 to 70 will be another kit. The cars are slightly different in length and build, so we have a specific kit for your specific Mustang.
Now I've heard that there's something special about these mufflers.
They're straight through perforated core mufflers, which actually makes them very interesting. They have a really great sound, but by being a perforated core, they'll actually flow more CFMs than a straight pipe would.
Oh wow. And I mean, I can imagine it sounds amazing. I can't wait to get this on a car and hear it. So exhaust can be one of the biggest key factors of the build, and I'm just curious, what makes this the best bang for your buck?
Well, the best thing is the material. Being out of T304, it's going to last long, and it's very high quality. And it's mandrel-bent, it's going to add performance, it's going to add sound. We here at CJ's took a lot of effort into making a high quality system that would be very economical.
Yeah, I mean, it looks gorgeous. I'm excited, like I said again, to just get this on a car and hear it and drive it, and I can't wait for that. I really like the look of this turn down exhaust tip, and I see here we have some extensions.
The extensions are it's for your own preference really. You can extend the tailpipe to make the tip come out the back so you can see it, or some guys like to keep it kind of short where it's kind of tucked up underneath the car.
Stay tuned for a step-by-step installation and some sound clips of this exhaust. Again, I'm so stoked that CJ's finally has their own performance exhaust kit. I think it's going to be a nice touch. I think the downward tailpipe is so cool and so sleek looking. I think we're going to get into that soon, so stick around.